Hi, my name is Ritu Shah and this is my discussion about infobesity. When I hear the word infobesity, the first thing that comes to mind is the overload of information. When there's just too much for people to process or filter. It's like we've reached a point where the access to information is not the real problem. The real problem is figuring out what to do with all of it. Especially in health, fitness, and rehab, people are constantly uploading new stuff every day, bombarding social media with conflicting advice, YouTube videos, and influencers, even AI generated content. Everyone claims to have found the secret or the original method or some shortcut method, and it leaves people more confused than ever. As a PT, I see this all the time because patients come in after having watched 20 YouTube and TikTok videos about how the correct way is to fix their knee or the correct form of exercise, and they're often very worried and anxious about if their form is correct. But the issue is that these videos and these reels are not tailored to their specific condition or their specific needs or goals that they want to achieve in rehab. And it's like they are carrying too much weight of this digital weight of this overboard of information, and they've tried so many things at this point that they've lost trust in what actually works. Personally, I've felt that too, even as somebody currently in the field and working, practicing as a PT. It's easy to get caught in the loop of new research, tech, and fitness trends. We often do find ourselves using the gimmicks, as we call it. There's too much pressure to stay current, to stay relevant, and to stay in this competing market. But at some point, more information doesn't always mean better outcomes. It can paralyze the decision. And by paralyze, you mean decision making or making simple concepts like move more, recover well, eat balanced. It paralyzes our regular line of treatment. To me, infobesity fits perfectly with what we've been discussing in this class so far about exercise technology. Be it apps or gadgets, even information can feel like a burden when it's not applied properly. Knowledge itself needs to be applied with a purpose. The key is not more data, it's knowing how to filter, to interpret, and personalize the information in a meaningful way. There's a lot of data out there, but we have to tailor it to our patient's specific needs and goals. So if I were to define it in my own words, infobesity is when the constant consumption of information outweighs our ability to process, apply, and benefit from it. It just the amount of information which is unfiltered, unregulated, it paralyzes our way and puts a damper in the speed of our regular line of treatment.